Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started yesterday. What was the topic? Different views of the same object. Very good. And we started a new unit as well. What is the name of the unit? Map reading skills. Excellent. Clap for yourself. Okay. So, in that map reading skills, the first topic that we did was that different views of the same objects, and that different views help us in reading the map. And with the help of that, we also discussed that how a picture is different from a map, right? So we discussed it together. Okay, so now in today's class we will be continuing with that. We will do a quick revision of what we have done, and then we will be moving toward the exercise of the topic. Okay, so when what does different views of the same object means? I gave you a home assignment as well. I asked you to take anything. It can be a cup, it can be a glass, it can be a bowl, anything. Just put it on the table and then take pictures of it from different angles, from the top, from the side, left hand side, right hand side, everywhere, and then see that what is the difference. So, how many of you have done that? Very good, very good. Everybody has done. So now, can you easily explain this, or is it easy for you to understand that how an object have different views? Right? Okay. So let's start with the reading. Open your book, page number 53. There are two examples, two pictures over here that we will be discussing together. So Marvi says things look different if we look at them from above. And the first picture that she has shown over here is that picture of the things which is taken from the above, right? So from the top or from the above, they look like this. This is a plant. Then we have a car, a toy car. Then we have a book and a cat. And they look like this when we see them from the above. Then it says this is how they look from the side. And if we look them from the side, or if we take a picture of them from the side, then they look like this. So now see, the plant is looking like this, the book, and from there when we were looking at the cat, we cannot observe, or we cannot tell that the cat is standing, but now see, it's standing, or even in a running position, right? And then finally we have a car. Then it says these are different views of the same objects. A tree from the side, a tree from the top. From the side, from the top. Then again a plate from the top, from the side. A mobile phone from the front or top, from the side. Then we have a teddy bear from the front, from the top. So these are all the pictures of the same objects but from different angles, and you can easily see that what is the difference, that when we take a picture of something from the top, how does it look like, and when we take it from the side, how does it look like? What is the difference between the two? Got it? Okay. I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this picture with me as well that I'll show you and we will discuss it together. Okay, look at this. These are also the pictures of the same object from different angles. Look at this cup. Now these are cups, right? But the pictures on the first or the top row is about the cups. They are cups, and the pictures have been taken from, yes, different angles. Look at the first one, then second one, third, fourth, fifth. In all of these, what is the difference? They look like a different thing, right? Move toward the second row. These are cars, toy cars, mini cars, right? Now see what is the difference of them when they have taken the pictures from different angles. How do they look like? There is a huge difference, right? Then move forward. In the next, we have tables. Some of them are round, some of them are square, right? But the pictures have been taken from different angles. and then see the difference. How do they look like? Yes. When we take the picture from the side, we can see the downward portion and upward both. But when we take the picture from the top, we cannot see what is. Yes, right? So this is how these pictures, these things look like when we take their pictures, when we capture them from different angles. And the last but not the least, we have the sunglasses or the glasses. So the pictures are again taken from different angles. Some of them are from the sides. Can you observe the difference in all of these? Very good. Okay. So now you can easily understand this, that how different objects have different views when we look at them from different angles, right? Okay. Now please open your book, page number 54. This is page number 54. Please open this. Let's see what it says. Put the tick if the statement is right, or put cross if it is wrong. Everything has different views. Is it true or false? It's true. Everything has different views, right? Okay. Things look the same from every side. Is it true or false? It's false. They look different from different sides, right? Okay. Now going further, it says, what can you see? What can you see? Look at these things. This is a television, and this picture is taken from the side. What is this? It's a telephone. The picture is taken from the top. Then we have a building. The picture is taken from the front. Very good. Then we have a chair. The picture is taken from the side, right? Then we have a cap. The picture is taken from the front. Then we have a two-layer cake. The picture is taken from one side. And finally, we have a ceiling fan. And the picture is taken from the side, or you can say the bottom, right? So the pictures, all of these things, all of these things have been taken picture, have been captured from different angles. So that is why they are looking different. Got it? Okay. So we are done with this topic. Why we have discussed it? Because with the help of this, we want to learn that how a map and a picture looks different from each other, right? And I draw that for you on the board as well. What you can do is that when you go home, you can ask your father to please show you the map of your house, and then take a picture of your house from the top, and then see that how it, or you can take the picture from the front, and then see that what is the difference between the two. That is your home assignment. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do revise it at your home, and let me know if you have any confusion, because from tomorrow inshallah we will be starting with the new topic. So share this video with others, because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.